WeCP lets you assess JavaScript experts on their hands-on expertise with JavaScript. Let's see how it works. After you send a JavaScript assessment to candidates, candidates open the assessment in their browser. On the left side of the window, you are given a problem description where you have to create an HTML form with JavaScript validation for username and password inputs. The validations for these inputs are: username should not be empty, and the password should be at least 8 characters long. Based on the form submission, you should give note of invalid credentials if all the validation rules are not followed, or forward the user to the welcome page. In the source folder, you can see there's a code stub for HTML and for JavaScript, which we have to complete. Let's go for code implementation. Here we have completed our HTML code. In JavaScript, you have to implement the validation of the form. Here we have implemented the validation of the form. You have been given the code for the welcome page. Let's test our code. Start the front-end server. Server is started. Let's open the preview and see how our page looks like. Let's fill the form. I didn't follow the validation criteria for the password, so I've been given an invalid password note. Let's give a proper password and submit the form. We are directed to the welcome page. Our code is working fine. Let's test and submit our code against the provided test cases. As you can see, our code has passed all the test cases. Hence, we have completed our JavaScript assessment.